Hey there, Excel power users! Welcome to Excel Hacks Simplified, your go-to channel for quick and powerful tips. Today, we're diving into a shortcut that's a real game changer for organizing your data. Ctrl plus number 0. Have you ever needed to clean up your view in Excel without deleting anything? That's where Ctrl+0 comes in handy. It lets you hide entire columns instantly. Here's an example. Let's say column B has data I don't need to see right now, but I don't want to delete it. I select column B, press Ctrl+0, and voila, it's gone from view. But don't worry, your data isn't lost. It's just hidden. To bring it back, simply select the surrounding columns, right-click, and choose Unhide, or use the ribbon menu under Home, Cells, Format, Unhide Columns. This shortcut is perfect for decluttering large spreadsheets or focusing on specific sections of your data. Plus, it's a huge time saver compared to right-clicking or fiddling with menus. Ready to make your Excel experience smoother? Give Ctrl+0 a try and let me know in the comments down below how it works for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome Excel tips. See you next time.